Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today let me show you now how you can export an object without your background. So if you see in the preview, there is a background behind our object. So let's see how we can remove the background in the export. Just again select your object, and before exporting, click at the three dot icon in the export panel and just check ignore overlay layers. And now if you see in the preview window, the background has been removed. And now what you can do is click export and then press save. And now if you go back and look at the object, so as you can see, the object has been exported without the background. So that's how you can export an image without its background. So before ending this, let me show you one more thing. So if you want to export multiple objects at the same time, just select all the objects, then click on the plus icon on the export column. Make sure to check the overlay icon, then just press export, then select a location and the save. So that's how you can export images from Figma. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.